I will shoot you. Take that.
Down.
Take that. Take that.
Don't try to. Kneel down.
I will shoot you. We want to take some shit.
On the floor. What's on the wall?
On your knee.
Wait.
On your knee.
Put your hands on this. Yeah, put it down.
I told him. It will. But how do you scam like someone for so long?
I'm tired of this game.
How do you scam someone for so long? An old woman like this.
No, under arrest, my friend. No.
You're under arrest.
You can kneel.
Money every
Kneel
day,
down.
every day
Kneel
my
down.
money. I'm
Sis.
tired of this game now. Must come to an end.
Wabona wena ukwenza boya monchonye enza ditšhelete.
Kneel, face that side.
O e beile ka godimo ka ene ke fake ka fase ke boya and then o tlo re ke tšhelete sepa hae ba ke fake fela ke fake.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. A Nigerian was caught after he was found with a fake money video yakhe circulator lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana njengoba sibona bambopha imali yokuqwalisa suitcase laphana ye-Hong Kong njengoba siyibona izihlangene ukuthi kusafuna ihlukanise. Apparently kuthiwa ngale mali lena uqola abantu ngaya sathi baqola kanjani but uhlalelane nemali efake, uhlalelane nemali emgunyati, imali engasiyimali qobo wendani ngayo. Njengoba sibona bamfaka bozankosi, bamsesha bamfaka bozankosi. Mara nkosi yami yathi ama-foreigner tosibulala, ama-foreigner nje atosibulala asicethe. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.